So, yeah, thanks for looking back. Sorry about earlier. I was storage run out on my phone, believe it or not. Anyway, that's the old broken bumper from the previous videos. If you remember, it's all smashed and pretty knackered. So we've got rid of that. We've got the I've split the bumper, changed the top half of the bumper. So as I said, this was a salvage scene out of an auction. Not really. Well, I don't buy a car out of auction salvage scene. It's honestly, you're wasting your time. But I did it anyway. It's not a dear car, so, and I've got someone that actually wants the car when it's all completed. So I've changed it, like I said, I've changed the top half of the bumper. In the previous videos, there was a fair old scuff down the side of the door. There's still a little small dent in the, just over the wheel arch there, but I'm gonna put a pen on it. I'm gonna polish it. Any marks, I'm gonna pen up. There's a slight scuff on the bumper there. If you can see it, I'm just gonna put a pen on that again and polish it. There's a few bits I've got to do. I've just got to put the back of the wheel arch cover back in. I haven't got the screws on me. I've got them, but I've left them at home. I'm at my mum's house today, so that's got to go back in. But other than that, I mean, if you look at the first video and then look at it now, it'll look all right. As I said, I'm going to polish it all up, and I'm going to set a tripod up for it so you can have a little look, and watch me polish it and do all the little touch-ups as well with a little artist brush and whatnot. So just to show, these two wheels here are coming off because they're both, one's bald and one's got a bulge in it. So as I said, I've got two tyres, got one there and one in the back of the van. So I'm just going to stick this up on a set of axle stands on this side, and I'm going to take them, get them changed tomorrow. Once they've been changed, I'll mask them up, rub these wheels down, and get them painted, same as the other ones really. And then I'll get it for an MOT, which I'm confident it'll go straight through. And then, as I say, I've got someone that actually is interested in it. So, but it's come a fair way, and I've got to say, I lucked out because I do know a guy that only specialises in breaking Golfs. So if you have got a Golf and you need spares for it, including like GTs, GTIs, anything like that, let me know, drop a comment, and I'll put you in touch with him. I'll give you his phone number and then you can give him a call. As I said, he only specialises in breaking Golfs. So as I say, I lucked out because he had everything. I mean, the bumper, he had it on the shelf. He had everything I've needed for this car, even down to little screws, bolts, bits and bobs, little plastic trims and bits and pieces. He's got everything. So yeah, so I think you'll agree that it's definitely coming along now. It's not a bad car. To be fair, if I hadn't have had a buyer for it, I was going to use it myself to run around in, because it's as I say, it drives so nice, such a comfortable car, and it's got fairly low mileage. So, but anyway, yeah, there you are. But next one I'll do is I'll set the wheels up. When I rub them wheels down and paint them, I'll do a little video on that, cleaning the wheels up and whatnot, and then I'll set the tripod up and we'll polish it, see how it comes up, and also I'm going to do a service on it as well. So, but as I said, it was quite nasty down this side, and although the paint, listen, the match ain't 100%, but I'll tell you what, it's not far off. It looks worse on the camera. You can see it on the camera, but I promise you, it really doesn't look like that to look at. So, but anyway, that was it. That's it now. And I'll once I've got the hang of this photo editor, I'll put some before and after photos up, and then you can see the comparison. But as I said, I ain't done that for 30 years, so I'm just getting back in the swing of it. But it's looking well, and I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you need any golf spares, let me know, drop a comment, and then I'll pass you the number on for the guy, and he'll get you pretty much anything you need. Thanks, take care, stay safe.